Hello. Feline just wanted to put a little picture collage together of some photos of the cave that brought her and Kuai Liang together in 2004. But there's one photo that sticks out to Kuai Liang and Feline because it's so heartbreaking, and that's this photo right here. Feline, myself, and Kuai Liang ask, why would somebody do that? I understand that people are upset because the cave is closed. I understand that. But the cave was closed for a reason. And they need to please just accept it and please leave that wonderful family alone. Only the Savior can decide if that cave is ever going to open again or remain closed. Even Kuai Liang's wife, Feline, said, Nutty Putty Cave was just a piece of Mother Nature that didn't deserve to stay open because it was too dangerous. Feline even stated the last time she ever saw the Nutty Putty Cave open. Mother Nature needs to shut her mouth. And look at what happened after the cave opened. An innocent gentleman lost his life. Sometimes it's just best if the government just seals off certain caves and just shuts Mother Nature's mouth. I mean no disrespect to anybody, but that's just the way I feel about it, and that's the way Feline feels about it. She is sad that the cave is closed, but if the cave had stayed closed, then that accident wouldn't have befallen John Jones, okay? The Nutty Putty Cave was just a piece of Mother Nature where I can understand why Feline said, it's time that Mother Nature shut her mouth. May John Jones rest in paradise. You are with the Savior, John. You are no longer in that cave, John. You are with the Savior. Rest in paradise, buddy.